guys, welcome back to, oh, I'm looking right at myself. What's up guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. For today's video, me and my brother, this is my brother, are going to, my hair is just so long lately.
Yeah, I know.
We're going to be showing you the top 5,
That's 6.
the top, let's just do 5.
Okay.
We're going to be showing you our top 5 AR apps for the iPhone X10.
iPhone XS, the 10s.
For the iPhone XS, or the 10. Basically, for iOS 11 on the new iPhones. Let's jump on
It's
into
iOS
it.
12.
It's iOS 12 now?
Yeah.
We're going to be sharing with you our top 5 AR apps for the iPhone XS. Let's go.
I really like it when we're vibing, but when I'm in another city,
Shut up.
Anything that you were talking about.
Okay, so first, what is this one?
This is like a hologram
Okay,
It's like-
pick it up.
where you put things into other things.
That is what a hologram is.
You can have Spider-Man.
Wait, what?
You can have Spider-Man. Alright, we're
Dude,
doing that
put
one
Spider-Man
first.
by me.
So you download Spider-Man, and then it'll go into this thing. So you click on him, and you can tap anywhere.
Is he my size?
Oh my god, I can make him bigger.
Is he right here? I freaking love Spider-Man.
He's right there.
Where?
I can make him tiny too. He's like right there. Yeah.
Put him beside me, like, so we can be like, sup?
I gotta like reposition him. Can I like put him on like where he's doing like an action or something? Alright, he's like standing right in front of the couch.
So am I.
He's like right there.
Sup? Am I looking at him?
No, he's shorter. Not that short.
Make him my height. What are you doing?
Yeah, then he looks too fat.
I want to make out with him.
Okay, there he is. He's your height.
Ooh, baby.
Oh my god, a tiger.
Do it. Yeah, you're like touching his back a little.
I actually feel kind of scared.
Dude, he's huge. This is funny.
Let me introduce you to a very, very good friend of mine.
Joey Kavanaugh. Oh, I accidentally touched him. I punched him in the face.
Where is he? Like, is this his head?
Yeah.
Wherever my hand is?
It's a little bit more to that way.
Like right
Let me introduce
Yeah, a little bit
you to a very,
Yeah, that's
very good friend of mine.
Mom's gonna kill us.
Next app is Stack AR.
Cool.
I've never played this game before. Ah. Ah.
Oh, that's intense.
Oh my god, it's like, oh, I failed.
Oh, you lost.
I feel like I can actually like grab it though. I like look.
Yeah, you can't though.
It's weird.
Okay, so this one's called Kings of Pool, AR mode. I mean, or we could play on our real pool table. Okay, so scan the area. Perfect. Dude, now that is a nice sized table.
So there's like a little robot.
What's up, dude?
Oh my god, it's not even there.
That's so cool! So I literally like have to come all the way over here.
Yeah.
I just walked through the table a little bit, no big deal. Wait, what am I? I'm not really sure what color I am. Okay. Hell yeah. I made it. Oh wait, I made hidden.
Oh my god.
So the measuring app, you can download other apps, but there is one that comes with the phone, and it's, I don't really know why you need to measure things,
Well, it's like a ruler.
but
Like, I mean, for like dick pics. People want to like know, like, you can't lie about it.
okay,
Alright,
so yeah,
so-
measure the sword.
We have this sword, so here's how you do it.
Is this a real sword?
Yeah, obviously. Alright, so you want to point, like you hit add right there at the one end, and you drag it across to the other end. And this is 30.5 inches. I mean, they kind of just gotta like take our word for it. Remember, have like a ruler.
Yeah, this is very
Oh, I
knowledgeable.
think we do have a ruler. We can measure a ruler to see how accurate it is.
Okay, get it.
All right, this ruler is exactly 12 inches. It says it's 11.5.
Interesting. So it's off.
Yeah. By
So
half
you
an
should
inch.
tell whoever you sent that dick
Yeah,
pic
half
to.
an inch.
Oh my god, this is mine from back in the day. It's a computer.
It's 11 inches. The ruler is longer than that.
Interesting.
But is that true?
Oh, Jesus.
No.
Wow.
So there's probably a little bit of bugs with the app.
Hi, buddy.
I wonder if I can measure how tall you are.
Oh, yeah. I've always wondered.
You've always wondered how tall you are. You've never really measured yourself. It's not like popping. I think it can't do things like that tall. Says you're 4'9".
I'm definitely not 4'9". Okay, so this app is called INKHUNTER, and you can put... Wait, you have to draw a square smile on your skin.
Okay.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Should we give you a face tattoo?
I mean, I have class tomorrow.
Okay, I suck at lines, apparently. So you draw this on your arm.
It's a nice tattoo. Oh my god.
It's Stitch!
And it's not even there. But right there, it's there. That's actually so cool.
Dude, you look so cool. We're doing one on my arm. Pick one, pick a good one for me. And people actually like draw these tattoos up and you can use people's designs. Like ordinary people, like you and I. You can like upload your own artwork so that you can see if the tattoo that you really want will look good on you.
Hold on, let me go into my photos.
You should upload Justin Bieber's tattoos and put them on you. I feel like you're like giving me a tattoo and I'm nervous to see what it is.
Alright, let me see the phone. I mean the camera. Stop moving so much.
Sorry.
I gotta keep redoing it.
Who is that?
It's that girl from Phineas and Ferb.
Who, Candace?
Yeah.
I can barely see it from here. Oh my god. Okay, we're testing out to see if you can tattoo someone's abs on you. This is a little bit creepy, but
You gotta find some
there are some good ones.
Is it working?
It's saying smile not detected. Come on.
Is it doing it?
No, I think you just did that for nothing.
What the? Are you serious?
It won't like detect it.
I drew it too close together. God.
I have a big smile on you for nothing.
Screw it, I'm not doing this.
Well, thanks so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out all those cool apps if you have an iPhone 10 or 10s. And
Oh, wait. And also follow me on Instagram at Joey Cavanaugh, at JoeyCavenaugh.
make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe down low before you go so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching. Say later, skaters.
Later, skaters.